Hello, llama friends. My name is Destructo, and today will be the final day of the Storm Squad. I will secure the llama and destroy them. Let's get ready. I'm prepared for my attack. I need to destroy them. It's Destructo! They're armed, and so am I. No! Oh! Those pathetic little souls. Hey! Oh! So accurate. Oh! Almost got me. But I almost got them. Retreat! 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 They defeated me last time, but this time I'm ready. With grenades and extra darts. I'm gonna get one grenade. I'm gonna get my blaster and see the horror on their faces. Hello, Destructo! Oh shoot! Destroy them! It's grenade time! Hi! Yes! I hit it! Now for the other one. Hi! I missed! I missed! What do I do? I snipe him down. Aim. He's not doing anything. He must be out of dots. Get him! He has been injured.